Prime Minister Narendra Modi na Manipur da laklamlaga hojik oiriba phibam asigi matangda wafam amata phongdoklamda haibasi Manipur Meeyambu Karisu Khande Takpani haina AICC gi secretary loinana in charge Manipur Tilak na phongdokre BT Road ta leiba Congress bawan da ngasi pangthokiba pawgi mifam amada Tilak na makha taraduna Hojik lamdam asigi miyam tangdu laitadana lady National Highway singda maitei amata fauraga chatpa yadriba amadi chawkhat thaurangi lamda asuki matik sothariba asigi matangda Prime Minister na wafam amata phongdoklamdraga project khara lauthoklamlaga chatkhiba haibasi Meeyambu apangbasibani BJP lengang na Manipur da chahi ani makhai hena thokliba irang asi Karisu Khande haina takpani Manipur asi hojik hiram kayada sothari maru oina haugalakliba naha singi mahai masing tamba haibasi yamna maru oiba amani adubu lamdam asidadi mahai sankaya oja leitaba infrastructure matik chadabaga loinana district amatada Mahairoi singna mapung fana mahai tamba fangdana lady Mioiba khunai asigi yamna maru oiba ama oiriba health sector asisu mathau ningthina tawba ngamdana lady masidana tana National Highway singda toina ban blockade tawba loinana maitei sing chahi ani makhairom asi highway singda fauraga chatpa ngamdana lady haiki amaromda Pangthokiba Lok Sabha ge inner amadi outer gi mikhalda BJP bu yaning de haina miyamna takre lakadauriba mikhalda su Manipur miyamna Congress Party da soidana sogatuna mai paklaga lengak semba ngamgani haiki
There has been a band called by the underground outfits which clearly states what is the situation in Manipur. Who is in control of state? I think the governor himself is under the control of the underground outfit. When the state is under the direct control of the home ministry of the central government, Bandh is being called for. I think in Manipur, in the present situation, we will have to talk about Manipur Chori. How in the last 3 to 4 years, Manipur has been robbed from the people of Manipur. So, BJP in the last couple of years, they have sowed the seeds of division and they have created chaos in the state. Imphal to Kohima, Dimapur quite often, which is like the NH 102, which connects Morai with Dimapur. The roads are really bad. After the Prime Minister's visit also, the government is not able to secure the roads into its proper control.